In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow here in Canva. Now, adding a drop shadow is really simple. Once you have your text on the canvas like this, we want to click onto that text, come up to effects just here, and then on the left-hand side, we can see this shadow. If we click on this, we're now adding a drop shadow. Now, there's a few different settings that we can play around with. We can play with the offset like so, and if you look, that drop shadow is just slightly changing. So we can play with the offset, let's keep that at 50. We can play with the direction, so we can have the drop shadow going in any direction that we want. Let's move this to round about there. We can also blur the drop shadow as well, like so. And we can also play around with the transparency as well. And then the last setting is obviously playing around with the colours. So we could have a black drop shadow, we could have a purple, we could have red, or any type of colour that we choose. If we click onto this plus button just here, we can then also play around with more settings when it comes to colours, and we can also put in the hex code of a colour just here. So that's how to add a drop shadow here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials just like this, then click right here and watch this playlist.